Hi guys. So I told you that our theme for this week is birds. So continuing on with our fairy tales and nursery rhymes, I wanted to sing to you a nursery rhyme called Sing a Song of Sixpence. And I love this picture. Can you see this king? Can you see him? I see the king and I see the queen in the background. And then there is a lady out the window out here and she's hanging up the clothes. Let's see, where is she? Yeah, that's her right there. She's hanging up the clothes. And there are these blackbirds flying around. But look, they're also in this pie. And that's what this nursery rhyme is all about. It goes like this. Sing a song of sixpence, a pocket full of rye, 24 blackbirds baked in a pie. When the pie was open, the birds began to sing. Wasn't that a dainty dish to set before the king? The king was in his counting house, counting out his money. The queen was in the parlor, eating bread and honey. The maid was in the garden, hanging out the clothes. Along came a blackbird and nipped her on the nose. Ouch! I bet that hurt her. So here's the king eating his pie with the blackbirds in it. And here's the queen, and she's eating her bread and honey. And then the maid out in the back is putting out the clothes. So our craft today is going to be making a pie with 24 blackbirds in it. So what you're gonna need is a paper plate, some paint. I have washable paint, but I didn't have enough of it, so I had to get out my paint that can get on my clothes. So I'm gonna be really careful with that. If you don't have any paint, you can use a black marker, a magic marker, or a Sharpie. But if you use a Sharpie, make sure mom and dad know you're doing that. I'm gonna paint with a Q-tip. I brought 2 down just in case I needed it. But if you don't have a Q-tip and you have a paintbrush, you can do that too, okay? So I went ahead and put some paint in my bowl. Oh, the most important thing you're gonna need, some aluminum foil. So what I'm gonna have you do is have your mom and dad help you, because it's got a sharp edge on it. Get out a square of aluminum foil, and you're gonna lay that over your paper plate, okay? So we're gonna make this look like a pie dish, okay? Like the king is eating his pie. So you're gonna wrap that foil, and I want you to use your pinchers, okay, and really wrap that foil around the paper plate. Makes kind of a fun sound too. We could make an instrument out of this. Wouldn't that be fun? We could make a cymbal out of it. Maybe we'll do that some other time. Okay, so here's my pie plate. Now, how many blackbirds did we say we had? 24 blackbirds baked in a pie. So we're gonna put 4 blackbirds in our pie first. So get out your, whatever you're gonna paint with, either your finger or your Q-tip or your brush. So I'm gonna put my Q-tip in here, okay? So we're gonna do 4 first, right? So I'm gonna make 4 blackbirds. I'm just gonna make 4 dots. 24 blackbirds. So how many dots do you see there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we need to do 20, okay? So I'm gonna get more paint and I'm gonna count out 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, need some more paint. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So now we have 24 blackbirds baked in our pie. Let's count and see how many that is total, okay? Here we go. Can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So 4 and 20 blackbirds means there were 24 blackbirds baked in the pie. Now, when this dries and you have any orange paint, you could put like a teeny tiny little orange beak on there. Let me see if I have an orange marker. Hang on one second. I'm just doing this on the fly because I just thought of it. So once your paint dries, you can add a little bitty beak to each one to make it look like a bird. Maybe you add some little feet, some bird feet to it. Can you see it? You can make little feet after it dries and little beaks. Okay, so I'm gonna finish that after all of this dries, and then I'll put this up in my house, okay? So I hope you enjoyed that craft. It's super easy. You can make lots of funny pies like that. Okay, bye. I'll see you in the next video.